Hello and welcome to the video channel of the CRC 768, Managing Cycles in Innovation. During the next minutes, I will introduce you to the topic of future-oriented development of product service systems with respect to external cycles. Therefore, I will give you a brief overview of the initial situation, the key questions, and the approach how to consider external cycles in the planning of product service systems. Companies are situated in a dynamic surrounding, which causes big challenges to each development process. The factors which can have a vast influence on the development process and the corresponding decisions range from legislative changes, mutating customer behavior, to proceeding technological innovations. To enable the designers to take the right decisions throughout the development process, it is essential to provide the relevant information to support this task. In this context, a variety of information can be called in, which include, among others, past development data or usage data, and especially external influencing factors. To outline the situation more clearly, we have a look on an example of a bike sharing system, which is used as a demonstrator in the CRC 768. This is a solely academic demonstrator case. The electrically supported bike sharing system is a typical PSS, including a product and its associated services. In this example, on the one hand we consider an altered range of application, and on the other side, changing technologies. Both can hardly be influenced by our development team, but nevertheless, our product needs to consider these both external influences. For instance, designers need to consider changing fields of application, which concretely could mean that new bike path or at least extension of existing bike path is planned by the city council. Another aspect is that, especially in context of product service systems, usage data could be used to identify new customer requirements. For example, in context of the demonstrator case, that customers want to cover longer distances, so a higher range of electrically support is required. Additionally, we can consider the development of technologies like battery capacities. The goal of our research project is to combine these influence factors and forecast their future evolvement and then derive consequences for the development of future PSS. This leads to the key questions shown on this slide. However, on the one hand, we want to lead back the information of the usage phase of the last product to get more insights about the usage situation, and on the other hand, we want to consider technology evolvement. In this context, key questions are: which technologies will be available in future? Which technologies can be combined with the overall concept? Which development opportunities fit the company's strategy? And how can a suitable concept be selected from the solution space? The integration of the usage data builds the connections to the sub-project, supporting innovation of product service systems through model-based assessment of product service systems use phase information. You can watch this video on this channel. To handle these challenges, a model and related processes were developed to support PSS planners in their decision-making, in order to prepare an optimal concept for the development department. On the one hand, the model can document the generated information on the planning process across several planning horizons. And on the other hand, it integrates data from previous projects. The model integrates usage data in order to support decision based on the actual user behavior. For example, the dimensioning of brake system of a sharing vehicle. In addition, external influencing factors like technology cycles or purchasing power are forecasted and combined with the usage data in order to anticipate the future behavior of the users as well as the development of the influencing factors. This slide sums up our intentions, starting at the identification of the influences on the left side, their forecasting and combination, especially in combination with the usage data. These future images are the basis to make the decisions and derive a strategy for the development department. In a use case, we applied a procedure for company-specific selection and networking of influencing factors. In a workshop, in order to select and connect the most important influencing factors for the current company situation. We started our research by conducting a literature review to identify relevant external influencing factors for product and product development. Therefore, we identified over 90 relevant dynamic cyclical influencing factors. In cooperation with an industry partner, a procedure for selecting the most important factors, for determining the interrelations between them, and for weighting their specific impact was elaborated and evaluated. The approach was conducted exemplarily in a use case, carried out in a company. The implementation was based on workshops. So, we hope that we could give you an understanding of the topic and the developed solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and watch the other provided videos or visit our homepage sfb768.tum.de. Thank you.